chassis system is a vehicle's framework that supports and integrates the engine and various systems in a vehicle, such as the transmission system, suspension system, steering system, and braking system. Functions of the chassis system include providing structural support for the vehicle, maintaining the vehicle's rigidity and strength, providing mounting points for all vehicle components, integrating vehicle systems, and managing the vehicle's weight distribution and dynamics. Chassis system architecture defines the overall design and layout of the chassis system and how the various components and systems are integrated within a vehicle. There are various types of chassis system architecture, such as the unibody, the body-on-frame, and the unibody with subframe, and the type used is based on the vehicle's design. The unibody, also known as the unitized body, is a modern design where the body and frame are integrated into a single unit. The body-on-frame is a traditional design where the body and frame are separated in a vehicle. The unibody with subframe is a design that blends both the unibody and body-on-frame architecture in a vehicle. The chassis system is a critical part of vehicle design to both support the vehicle components and ensure safety and comfort. A well-designed chassis system improves crash safety, handling, and fuel efficiency. Vehicle manufacturers carefully balance weight, strength, and flexibility to optimize performance.